Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is set up for experiment number 7. Title of the experiment is Study of Steady State Performance of CT and VT. CT stand for current transformer, VT stand for voltage transformer. Here, this is a CT, single phase CT, that will be used in this experiment. It has two winding, primary winding and secondary winding. There are multiple rating available for primary winding. If we use these 2 points 1.1 and 1.2, between these two terminal the rating of primary winding is 1 ampere, and if we use these two terminal 1.3 and 1.2, the rating of primary winding is 5 ampere. On the secondary side we have only one rating available. Secondary is rated at 1 ampere. According to the instruction given in the manual, we will use this CT in configuration 5:1 ratio. Mean primary rated at 5 ampere, secondary rated at 1 ampere. So it means primary will be connected between these 2 points, through these 2 points, and secondary circuit will be connected at these 2 points. In addition to that, here is the power rating as well as accuracy class of this current transformer. Student must also note down this value. It will make better sense to the students once they will study about the current transformer in the class theory lecture. So just make sure that you have note down this value and then try to interpret this value once you have the theoretical knowledge about this accuracy class of the transformer. Now if I show you the circuit, this is a circuit that you will implement for current transformer, study of current transformer characteristics. Here this AC voltage is this variac. This resistance rheostat is given over here. If I read its rating, that is 100 ohm, 5 ampere. So set this value to a low value, low resistance, somewhere here around 10 ohm. So you can adjust this value approximately to 10 ohm without any measurement. Now use this variable terminal and this fixed terminal, or you can use from other end. Okay, and if you are using other end, just move this slider close to that end to make that resistance around equal to 10 ohm. So next is ammeter. So here is the meter that you will use as ammeter. Its terminal O and I is used for ammeter. I and O are given over here. So make sure that you have selected the properly current by pressing this button of function. Next is the primary winding, and this is all these components are connected in series in a single loop. So make sure that the source, primary of the CT, ammeter and rheostat are connected in a closed loop, and you can adjust the value of current by controlling here the voltage. Make sure that the selector switch on this ammeter is set to 10 ampere range. Next, on the secondary side, this is the secondary winding of the CT. Here we have the ammeter and a variable resistance, variable burden connected across the secondary of current transformer. So this is current transformer, across its secondary mean. So this secondary will be connected across this burden, variable burden, that you can see here. Maximum value of that variable burden is 60 ohm, through this another ammeter that will be connected on secondary side. It means secondary of CT, this variable burden and this ammeter will be connected in a single loop. Then to observe the waveform of current which is passing through this resistance, connect this DSO, digital storage oscilloscope channel 1, across this burden with the help of crocodile clip available. So here are the crocodile clips available to make this connection. For part B, in which you will study the steady state characteristics of voltage transformer, here is a voltage transformer. Use its rating 380 over under root 3, this winding primary. There are this time multiple secondaries. In CT we have multi rating primary, here we have multi rating of secondaries. Use this secondary which is rated at 100 over under root 3. Under root 3 will cancel out on both sides. We can write this rating as 380 by 100. Now for this voltage transformer, the secondary side burden is given over here. The difference between burden of CT and burden of VT is a value of impedance. Here the impedance value is 1600, which could vary from 0 to 1600 in series with 330 ohm. So use these two terminals to make sure that 330 is in series with 1600 ohm. That would be connected across the secondary of this voltage transformer. And you will also observe the waveform of voltage by connecting digital storage oscilloscope across the secondary of voltage transformer as well. So this is the introduction of different components. Student will make the circuit and show the circuit to the instructor before energizing the setup. One more thing, the ammeter that student will insert on the secondary side of the CT, its range must be set to 1 ampere. Primary side ammeter will be set to 10 ampere, secondary side ammeter will be set to 1 ampere. Once we use these two meters for VT characteristic study, then with the help of these function button make them voltmeters. And the primary side voltage will be set to 300 and secondary side voltage will be set to 100 volt. In this way selection will be done on two sides. So these are the instructions for experiment number 7. Students are supposed to connect the circuit and show the circuit to the instructor before energizing the setup. Thank you.